well, fixing some more stuff on the Fiat. That bushing there is shot, which means you gotta buy a whole new shock, which is not too big a deal. Got a little jack. Jack stands are important. If you lift the back half of a Fiat, that means you are lifting the front half of the Fiat as well, because they are tiny and ridiculous. Anyways, you can get a 17 millimeter set of wrenches, sockets, whatever it is you think you need. Pull those guys out. And then we're gonna take off this guy and this guy. Be right back. All right, just checked a couple of bolt sizes. So it was 17 for the lugs. This guy up here at the top of the shock is a 15. The back side of the shock on the bottom, 14. All right, so this is, there's your shock out. This is a heavily disgruntled piece of suspension componentry. And if you look in here, you can see we've been bouncing around in here with far too much play for a long time. And that's why we've got some metal shavings and junk. It's kind of hard to see. The camera's not focusing on it properly. But yeah, came out super easy. The bolt at the top came out with absolutely zero effort. That was nice. The bolt at the bottom requires lots of effort, but if you have a big breaker bar, it's not a big deal. Just has a lot of threads, so you want something that ratchets once you have it broke free. Yeah, not a big deal. Alrighty, so we have KYB replacement shocks. KYB replacement shocks are technically the correct replacement shock factory for this vehicle. If you have the Pop or Lounge edition, we have the Sport, which is supposed to have, I believe, a genuine Mopar shock, is the only true replacement, but they are 3 times as much money, so I don't care. These will fit beautifully. I got these for $42 each. They were on sale at Rock Auto, and I think I paid $20 in shipping, like right on $20, I think, and came in about 2 days. It was super quick. Everything came out of Michigan or something like that. Not 100% sure. But they are generally $65 a piece. All of these prices, of course, are Canadian, and we pay a 5% GST tax here, so that can give you an idea of what I spent. I think total it was like $109. So that is what I would recommend to do if you have to do this job. All right. See about getting this guy opened up. Oh dear, 2 hands. I forgot to mention this guy. She don't go. I don't know if mine's seized on there. Probably. Or if it's not intended to come off, and it's just a threading point. But mine didn't come off. That could be because the vehicle has 210,000 kilometers on it. Or it could be engineered that way. Not sure. But yeah, you might not need a wrench on there at all. Done. So that takes exactly that long. 10 minutes each side. Should be no problem.